Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AOL Mail. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. AOL email application or email client allows the users to easily send and receive emails. It enables seamless communication by providing a smooth platform for exchanging emails. The user-friendly interface allows a dynamic user experience, making real-time communication more productive through the integration of AIM for chats and conversations. In order to use AOL Mail, first, make sure you've downloaded the application on your device. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and go to the search box and type in AOL and search. Install the application on your device by tapping on the install button. You can also go open your web browser and type in aol.com and use your AOL application from your web browser. Once the application is installed, tap open the application and from the very first interface of AOL, you'll need to go to the human icon at the upper left and tap on Manage Accounts. If you don't have an AOL account yet, you can tap on Create an Account at the bottom of the screen and sign up for a new account. If you already do, you can go ahead and enter the username, email, or your mobile number associated with the account and tap on Next in order to log in. Tap on Create an Account to create a new account for AOL, and you'll need to register in order to sign up. Start by entering your first name in the first text field. Now, type in your last name. Create an email address for your AOL account. Once you're done, move on to the next field and type in a password for your account. Make sure to type in a strong password for your account's security. And on the next field, choose your country code from the drop-down. Now, type in your mobile number next. Enter your birthday information on the next field. Enter your gender. Since it's an optional, you can skip the gender option and you'll end up in the inbox. Your inbox is where all of your received emails are stored. If you click on the inbox icon, you'll be able to see lists of options. For example, draft, sent, archive, spam, and trash. If you want to add more folders onto this list, tap on Create New Folder, give it a name, and tap on OK. If you go to the Home button, you'll end up in the home screen of AOL. This part of AOL screen is taken up with scrolling headlines from AOL News. Here, you can search news from the saved, main, entertainment, lifestyle, money, sports, and motoring categories. If you want to watch videos, then go to the videos option at the bottom, and you'll be able to see all of the trending videos on your AOL screen. If you'd like to make a search on AOL, go to the search button at the bottom right and type in a URL in the search box. Once you do that, you can use AOL Mail as a regular web browser by searching for any URL address. If you go to the Settings tab, then you can manage your account, customize your inbox, change general settings, and much more. If you'd like to log out of your account, you'll need to go and tap on the human icon at the upper left. Go to Settings, tap on Manage Accounts, and simply disable the button at the right corner. If you want to sign out, you won't even have to sign out of it. You can simply tap on Turn Off Account, and no one will be able to access your data in this app. That is how you can use AOL Mail on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.